Yo. Hi everyone. Thanks for signing up for the Accountability Partner Program. So excited to be doing this with you. So the goal of this is to help you come up with achievable goals for the year, work with you towards achieving it by the end of the year by holding you accountable and helping you build steps around achieving that. So this template we've shared is just to help you kickstart the whole process. It's a very simple and straightforward template. Don't overthink the process. It's broken down into three key areas. One, wealth, livelihood, and lifestyle. This is around your career. What do you want to achieve this year? You want to learn about financial modeling. You want to gain skills in taxation, whatever it is. You want to save money. This is where you put those things. The next one is health, body, wellness, and spirit, which is what do you want to do in terms of your health? Do you want to eat more healthy foods this year? You want to stop eating suya? You want to stop? You want to exercise more, join the gym. You want to be closer to God, pray more. That this is what this section is all about. Then the third section is happiness, creativity, home, local relationships, and all that. This is what gives you happiness in terms of your how do you want to improve your relationships. You want to travel to a different country, to make yourself happy. You want to visit your grandparents. Some of you haven't visited your grandpa or grandma in a long while. You want to visit your uncles, your dad, whoever it is. This is where you include that. So the focus right now is putting three goals, two goals rather, per category, maximum of three. The reason why is we don't want you to spend so much time and energy, you know, creating stuff that you won't achieve. The point is, once you've achieved that goal, we move to the next phase. So at this stage, your focus is on column A. You focus on these lines, change it to whatever you want. If it's to delete what you don't need here, replace it with whatever applies to you. And ultimately, don't forget at the beginning, you need to change the name, update your name to whatever your name is. My name is George, for example. So it's George's 2024, plan for my goals for the year. So most importantly, and when you want to do that, forget the columns B, C, and the rest. Your focus right now is only on column A. Put in two or three key goals you want to achieve by the end of 2024. So work on the tab 2024 goals and type in what you want to achieve. The first tab is just for guidance to keep you to know what to look out for. Forget every other part like I mentioned. Your only focus is on this column A, or edit this to put your name and put that and submit it. I will review that. I will get to the next level. So see you in the next video. Thank you.